Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aroa Muñoz and I am doing my December vlog in Madrid. This is the second vlog of my Vlogmas series. So I know that Christmas Day is over, but honestly, Christmas is so not over here in Spain. Look at all the lights behind me. This square looks beautiful with all the lights in the trees, and the center looks stunning. All the Christmas markets are still open because, as I mentioned in Vlogmas 1, Christmas actually does not stop until the 7th of January or so here in Spain. So I am going to continue my Vlogmas series even though Christmas Day is over, because Christmas is so not over. So what am I going to do now? Well, I am going to a tapas market called Mercado San Anton. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys. It's really nice. It's one of my favorite markets because the one in the center, which I have shown in other videos, is El Mercado San Miguel. That's a very popular market, but is very crowded with tourists. And the one that I am going to take you guys to today is actually really nice. Like, it's not very crowded with tourists. So let's have a look. I cannot wait to try some tapas. So one of the things that I like the most about walking in Madrid is how beautiful the Christmas lights are. I love these Christmas lights on the trunks of the trees. I think they are stunning. And when I looked closer and I went to that area, I actually saw what looked like Cinderella's carriage. Look at how lovely this looks. People were taking photos. I took my own photos. I mean, I have never seen these anywhere else, and I think it looks adorable. So I kept walking down on my way to El Mercado San Anton, and I actually purposely walked down the streets that were not very crowded, because that way I can just take better videos, photos, and vlog around a bit more. And I came across this other market, Mercado Barceló, that one, the one you see on the video, and just some buildings looked absolutely stunning, like this hotel, for example. It just looks gorgeous. So in just a few minutes I arrived to El Mercado San Anton, which is this one. I love this market. It's one of my favorite markets to have tapas, and it has multiple floors. So the first floor is quite big, but when you go up you can have more fun looking at all the tapas and deciding which one to have. I decided to try this lovely tapa. It was really good, although it had a bit of a strong flavor. I have to be honest, but I always love to try new tapas. It's so fun. So now guys, I am walking in this beautiful street, so close to the market that we've just been to. How beautiful are these lights? They are stunning. And there are quite a few terraces around here, which is really nice. I love this area. So now I am just going to walk around and see what I find. I generally really like to just walk around and just find random stuff that I did not plan for. I just really love walking around the city, and that's what I do. Just walk, just go explore. Hello everyone. So today is actually a brand new day. I am going out also in the evening just to enjoy the beautiful Christmas lights. And I am here in Estación del Arte. This is a very famous station where you can find a lot of the museums. So there is El Museo Reina Sofía, which I will try to find today and show you. And El Museo del Prado is actually walking up that street, which is really great. So let's have a look. I decided to come here just because the center is very crowded. There are a lot of people in the center and I barely can walk. Definitely not vlog. So I thought that it would be much better to just come to a more relaxed area. And so here I am in Estación del Arte. El Museo Reina Sofía is this one that you have here. It's one of the most important art museums in Spain and the world. So it has artists like Pablo Picasso, Salvador Dalí, Joan Miró. Very, very important museum to come visit. And it had a lovely market in front of it, which was really good. The market had all kinds of things like clothing, food, just handmade stuff, just a very lovely Christmas market. I personally love Christmas markets. I always like to have a look at the jewelry and see if I like something. I love sometimes getting hats or scarves, gloves. And they had churros and a lot of like Spanish typical food like porras, chocolate a la taza. It's great. So, guys, I'm here in Paseo de la Castellana. This is actually one of my favorite streets. It's really long. So this street goes all the way to the north of the city and it ends here. And honestly, it's one of my favorite streets ever. The famous Museo del Prado is here. It's just over there. And it's just the decoration now for Christmas is stunning. I mean, this street is stunning all months of the year, but it has something special with the lights, I think. So, guys, what I am doing is I'm walking up El Paseo de la Castellana and I'm going to walk up until I see Gran Via and then walk up Gran Via. So I'm doing a lot of walking. This is one of the things I love about being in Madrid. I just walk a lot. Like, I do not need to sign up for the gym. I just do a lot of walking and I love that. I love walking around and exploring. Guys, I remember when I was living in New Jersey in the States, I could not walk. I remember how much I needed a car to get everywhere because that's like the American lifestyle in most places. Unless you live in a place like New York City, it would be very difficult to get around by foot, which I guess is something similar to here. I mean, we're walking in the city, but yeah, I appreciate that about living here in Madrid. Just like in any city, right? Like you can walk more. You can take public transport, like all those buses that you see. Those are all the buses, and there is also the metro, which I take quite frequently. And honestly, if you've never been in Madrid, you will see that the metro is really nice. Like, it's actually one of the nicest metros I've ever seen in the world. Like, ever. And I've been to a lot of places. So, yeah. I'm not saying that because it's the city where I grew up. I'm saying it because it's really how I feel. Like, it's honestly very clean. and polished. You'll see it. I think I'll have to show it to you on a vlog soon. So for the rest of the evening, I just kept walking around and exploring the city. Like I said, I just love not planning necessarily where I'm going and just exploring different areas of the city. I love the restaurants and the Christmas vibe all around the city. It's just beautiful. And if you have not visited Madrid during Christmas, I definitely recommend it. I hope that you liked this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.